Okay, after that, we have some other things. Let's see what are these. After that, we have spelling check. So here you should know what is spelling check. Spelling check is that when you write anything, any document, or you copy any document from website, there are some mistakes. Like here, if I write here computer, okay, here spelling mistake. If I write keyboard, okay, here also spelling mistake. So what you will do, you have to press F7, F7 from keyboard. If I press F7 here, this will system will detect automatically that there is a problem. Here it has highlighted also that you may replace with that word. Okay, you can change with that word. So what I will do, I will select from here appropriate word, and after that I will change from here, change all. Then I will choose the second one. So it will system will detect automatically that here is a mistake. So again you have to choose from here, and after that change all. So that is a spelling check. Okay, after that, here we have print the page. How we can print the page? Print. So print is P-R-I-N-T. For print, you have to type. You have from keyboard. You have to press Control P. Control P. If I press Control P here, here from after that, I can choose my printer. After that, from here I can how many copies do I need? After that, here I can give the range also, what pages I want to print. Maybe I want to print maybe one page. So I will write just one. So it will print just first page. And here are some other options also. And here also you can see it has two pages. If I go back, this is our first page. So that is a printer. You can print from here. After that, you have to click on printer. Okay, after that, there is another option also. If you don't know shortcut, there is an option, go to file. From file, we have option print. So from here, same option will appear and you can choose what you need that you want to print. Okay, after that, here you can see, here we have to draw a picture. So how we can draw a picture? Here any picture is available, you have to insert MS Word. Any picture, here as a sample, I take one picture. Okay. So I want to insert a picture. So how I can insert it on my document. So for this, click on insert. From insert, you have to choose picture. Okay. After that, you have to choose where is that picture. Maybe available in C drive, D drive, in any folder. You have to choose it. Okay. But here I have here. So I will select the picture. After selecting, click on insert. So here you can see now I have picture, but in rectangular form. But here I need pictures in circle form, in circle. So how can I change this? Here you can see there is option picture style, picture styles. So from here you can choose any style. Here we have different style. Okay. So what size, what shape do you need? Okay. But here I need in circle form. Okay. So after that I can change the size also from here. If I want to change the size, maybe I need small one. I can change the size also. Okay, after that, here you can see here we need a line. That line is similar that we did here also. That line is similar. Okay, that one is same. So after that, we need here a star and arrow. That is a right arrow. So these two are shapes. These two are shapes. So how to insert on MS Word is shape. So here we have option, click on insert. So here you can see we have this option shapes. So here we have different options, different shapes that are available. So you have to choose what you need. So here I need right arrow, that one, right arrow. So after that I will draw it here. After that, here you can see here I don't need fill inside. I need empty one inside. What I will do from shape styles, there is a option. So from here I will choose anyone you can choose. After that, here I want to write. I want to write right arrow. If I want to write, just click right from keyboard. Click right, and here we have option add text. So click on add text. After that, I can write here right arrow. Okay. After that, we need star. That is a 5-star. So again, insert shapes. From shapes, we need star. Okay, here you can see we have different stars and banners. So from here we can choose 5-star. Okay, after that same, I don't need color inside the star. So what I will do, I will choose any one other. So here again, I want to write 5. What is that? 5-star. Okay, yeah, that thing I want to write. Just right click, and here you can see we have option add text. That is 5 dash star. Okay. Okay.